Our demand should be.
First of all, paper is not a mistake. It's an incident which happens. That is the problem of cockroaches. That is the problem of cockroaches.
During the time of Atal Bihari Vajpayee itself, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was given the free hand that you can do whatever you want to do. Just make our country a nuclear power. And so you cannot blame that they have not done anything. They have done in their time.
Yes, okay. I respect, appreciate when BJP was in a rule in 1972 around that year, so India got nuclear bomb. What are you gonna do with the nuclear one when the youth are useless? What are you gonna youth? Listen.
Government employee a person? Don't you have common sense?
As Chief Justice of India said that we are lazy, cockroach, we are illiterate. I want to ask one question. If we are lazy, we are the people.
But and remember for whom he said. Remember
Yeah,
for whom
the
he said.
unemployed people. Yeah.
No.
Illiterate people.
Exactly. Who are unethical?
Yeah,
unemployed.
unilliterate.
So if you are, then call yourself cockroach.
Yes, we
Of
are
course.
cockroach. Yes. Yes,
Ah.
we are the proud cockroach.
Once again, before saying cockroach to yourself, call yourself that I am unethical. I am illiterate. Exactly. Government will come to you. Shut up.
Wait. Yes.
Yeah.
I accept that we are uneducated, unethical. Okay.
Illiterate.
Yes. Illiterate. Yes.
Okay.
This is the criteria to join Cockroach Janata Party.
Yes.
Okay. I have one point. If the ruling government and the CGI Honorable Chief Justice think that we are illiterate, lazy, uneducated, I want to ask one question. A person was convicted for 36 years wrongly. Who is more illiterate? He lost his 36 years. Where was his justice for 36 years? Who is illiterate?
Achha, the person
Where
who
is
has
the
got
system?
the person who got bail after 30 years you're
After
talking about.
36 years.
Yeah.
Where is the system?
No,
System is corrupt.
Delay hearing
Corrupt.
he's talking about. Delay hearing.
System is corrupt.
Yeah.
No, sir, not delay hearing. He was wrongly convicted. He was not involved in that case. For 36 years, that was not the only person. There were so many people who were wrongly convicted. And 1/3 of their life they remained in a jail.
Have you ever thought of becoming judge? Have you ever thought of becoming lawyers? Have you ever thought of becoming advocates? No. Judges are less. Advocates are less. Who will ask for?
So who is the reason for it?
Whose reason? You are the reason.
Ruling party.
What is he talking
ruling
about?
Party.
What is he talking about?
Yes.
One second. If in India, imagine there are 1,000 patients and there are 2 doctors. There are 2 doctors. Increase the number of doctors.
How can be there more doctors? Sir, how can be there more doctors when every year the need paper is
First of all,
leaked?
you should know why delay hearing. Why is there delay hearing? Do you know? Why? You should tell why.
Sir, there are enough.
Judges are late.
Sir.
Advocates are late.
Sir.
Who will listen?
Sir.
Who will listen?
Sir, I have a question. Sir, I have a question. Sir.
Please don't blame Chief Justice of India.
Sir,
You are not becoming anything, and you are blaming Chief Justice of India here.
Chief Justice of India, I am saying if there are not enough judges,
Yeah.
lawyers, who is
Yeah.
at fault? The ruling party.
Arey nahi bhai.
Sir, listen. Complete.
What is he talking
Sir, let me
about?
complete. Because the paper is leaked every year. These students are not educated.
Prashant bhai.
Of course. How can there be?
Brother, please listen to me.
How can I?
You please listen to me.
When the education is corrupt. When the education system is corrupt.
Excuse me, brother. When this country has got independent? 1947. It has 1947. It has got independent in 1947. See. Listen to me. And BJP, please listen to me. BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party, has come to the power on 2014, and almost 50 years other parties have, control the center of politics. So what about, we cannot blame only one ruling party. This is the system. They have not increased the number of judges. They have not made the infrastructure for the, hearing and all. So we cannot blame only the ruling party. We will have to blame the whole system, all the parties of the country. That is it.
So now my point. India got independent around 1947, 1949, complete independence, okay? After like 72, 76 years, after 72, 6 years, then BJP came into the power.
Okay.
Before that, BJP ruled country for 5 years. Then where was BJP? And you are talking about the independence, blaming all the countries.
Instead of blaming government, let's blame the people of this country. Are skill yourself. Skill yourself. The statement by Chief Justice of India, the judge, he said, to make you aware that skill yourself, come in the power, be lawyer, be judge, be doctor, be something. Instead of,
Sir, just give me a second.
you are high school failed and you are trying to go for NEET examination.
Sir,
What is he talking about?
Sir, who is at fault? But I'm asking, who is at fault if we are uneducated? We are not provided the good education. There is a fault of system. Brother, and every year when the paper is leaked, how can we educated? How can we improve? How can we be skillful?
Please listen to me.
Okay, sir.
My dear friend has talked about that BJP has already ruled 5 years or maybe more than that. You are talking about during Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji. Am I right? You are talking about during Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji. Do you know during the time of which Prime Minister India became the I would say that nuclear power?
Indira Gandhi.
No. She gave free hand to the scientists. But during the time of Atal Bihari Vajpayee itself, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was given the free hand that you can do whatever you want to do. Just make our country a nuclear power. And so you cannot blame that they have not done anything. They have done in their time.
Yes, okay. I respect, appreciate when BJP was in a rule in 1972 around that year. So India got nuclear bomb. What are you gonna do with the nuclear one when the youth are useless? What are you gonna? Youth, listen. No, sir.
In this, if in this world, if you want to survive, in this world, if you want to survive, you must have the power. You must have the power. You must have the strength. You can see the example of Iran itself.
We need educated
We must
youth,
have.
not nuclear power. We need educated youth, not nuclear power. What are you talking about? How can you? What are you good? What are you gonna do with nuclear power? What are you gonna do with nuclear power?
Prashant brother, because of that nuclear, we came in a power and we can defend our nation.
What
Okay?
power?
What power? And you are, but listen. You are talking about the education system of. Listen, brother. You are talking about the education system of India. CEO of Google, Indian. CEO of YouTube, Indian. CEO of Facebook, Indian. And you, listen. There is IDMs. There's all the systems, okay?
If everything is
And
okay,
listen.
why he is not working for India?
Why
you thought migrating?
They are.
Why did it?
They are. There are so many people.
If education is so good, why don't we have our own social media? Why don't we have? Where is our social media? Tell us. Why?
We have our Indian made.
Wait. Listen to me.
We have our Indian made. We have so many apps. But you, the people, are preferring.
You guys
Okay.
have guts. If we are educated, why there is a brain drain issue?
Okay, this is. Hey, Sarab! You are really cockroach. Wait, listen to me first. A speaker is speaking here. This is not shouting, this is frustration. Of course. This is the frustration of expectation. This is the frustration that they are not getting actually. They are right. They have to be like that.
What are we gonna do?
But, while talking, we have gone to nuclear bomb, nuclear power. Somehow, this was raised well. When he was talking about, he was criticizing BJP here. That is why he beautifully mentioned about during the rule of Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji. He mentioned that during the rule of Atal Bihari Vajpayee, we became nuclear power. And he is saying that, what is the use of nuclear power?
I want to tell you one thing. At that time, when Atal Bihari Vajpayee was ruling, India, at that time, casteism was not seen. Because if that time casteism was
That's another
seen-
point, Barry, he's raising. What is he talking about casteism
Yes,
here?
of course,
No. Let's talk about demands.
because that
Demands. That is casteism. Why are you talking about casteism here? Right, demands. We have to have clarification. Could you please clarify what are the demands
Yes,
of
yes.
cockroaches? I mean, cockroach Janta Party. We want. Yeah,
Okay.
exactly.
So our demand.
Only you are
Our
speaking
demand should be.
actually.
Our demand should be. Our demand should be. Our demand should be. Our demand should be. Cockroach Janata Party. Cockroach Janata Party. Our demand should
going
be.
on?
Our demand should be.
Arey, what are your demands?
Yes, sir. I'm gonna say. So our demands are resignation of education minister. It is our first demand, and it should be fulfilled in no time.
I
We
object.
need it.
I object.
And we need it. No, I don't object it. And health in our, like improvement in our health sector. People are dying every day. They are in a queue and die. What's going on? And then the third demand, improvement of our education system. It's completely corrupt. That's the reason we are illiterate. That's the reason we are facing brain drain issue. And we need improvement. And then the
How
control,
sad it is.
salary.
Shame on you, buddy. Shame on you.
Why, sir? We need it. It's
I
our
think
demand.
they should speak on this. It's a matter of our house, guys.
And we need salary hikes of daily laborers, common people, improvement of remuneration, everything we need. Reduction of gas, oil, petrol. It is skyrocketed. What's going on? The inflation. See the inflation. No, normal people cannot survive in this country. What's going on? And the third, transparency in election. It's completely corrupt. No fair election is done in any state.
You're absolutely wrong here.
And then we need qualified leaders. We need qualified leaders. Leaders are uneducated, illiterate. They say only the paper leaked, not the question. See the mentality of a leader. Paper leaked, not the question. See, we need strict law for criminals. Girls are raped every day. There is a murder, killing, mass killing. What's going on? Casteism. This, that. Every day we have protest. What's going on?
I don't
Subs-
understand whether you are criticizing or appreciating
We
yourself.
need, it's our demand. It's our demand.
Once again. Guys. Well, talk is a family, right? Yeah. Right? Yes. If anything happens to you or me, we together must solve that, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why should I go on the road?
Because the government is not listening, sir. The ruling party is
Once
not-
again, Sarah, what is the definition of government? Tell me.
Government is from us.
We are the government.
We are the government.
We are the government. Government is for the people, by the people, right? Of the people, by the people, right?
Sir,
For the people.
but the government is the one who brings law in the country, who passes the law in the
Right?
parliament. Then,
We people do
sir,
that.
we cannot pass the law in a parliament. We cannot raise the voice in a parliament. Common people.
If the law is passed, which is not in the favor, you can just tell. You can lovingly say.
But sir, if we say
In the
lovingly-
ministry, it is passed in the ministry. If something which is not appreciable, you can beautifully say it is not okay. And government can never go against the people of India. Come on.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I said, sir.
Can never go against.
We can peacefully raise our voice. We can do, but if we raise peacefully voice, government take us for granted. good for nothing. That's the problem of
You
this
want your
ruling party.
benefits. That is why you are criticizing government here.
No, sir.
You want
Government take us for granted.
you should debate
The
why am I
government is
doing
good for
it.
nothing. With the government thinks that we are good for nothing.
My dear friend has asked the first demand of him that our education minister should resign.
My goodness.
Tell me, if you have, pain in your stomach, will it be better to cut your, throat or neck or head? Not at all. If something happened in any center or any place, we should ban that institution rather than demanding for the resignation for the education minister, because it is not just about, it is not just about your demand. It is defaming our country in other countries as well. It is defaming our country. They are calling us cockroaches. The Gen Zs of India, the Australian, the American, the other countries, the developed countries, they are calling us the cockroaches. The Gen Zs of us. This is respect. This is disrespect of our country. And who the hell are you to disrespect our country? Who the hell are you to disrespect our country? You are. If some issues are there,
Sir, if we do not criticize our government, then how they can know what is going on in our country? And you are, listen, and you are telling, you are telling other countries.
Need to know what is going on.
Sir,
Of course,
yes, of course, sir.
Government already knows what is going on.
Why they are not improving? If government knows everything, so why they are not improving? And one thing, you are telling that other country are criticizing our country. So why are our government doing like this, paper leak? Why they are not improving?
My brother,
you are doing mistake and you want. We don't want to listen our criticize against you. What is this?
my brother, please listen to me.
What?
Your first point that if we don't criticize our government, how the problem will be solved?
Yes.
Is that? Then you have we are multi-party democracy, brother. We are multi-party, and Congress is the oldest party of this country. What is the guarantee that
now-
Mr. Abhijit will not go
Why
away?
you are- yes,
will not
listen.
cheat you, will not deceive you.
Sir,
he has
he is
already
telling about only Congress.
the background of being in Aam Aadmi Party. So how can you believe on a person who is coming from America and he is just taking your support, and he can cheat with your future. You can take support. You can take support of established political party. If you want to criticize or raise the government against India, raise the issues against the government. Yes.
Listen. Abhijit, listen to me. Abhijit is not coming from America. He is the citizen of India.
I know he is Indian citizen, but he is staying there. How can he understand the real issues of India? And who gave him the authority? Who the hell?
Listen, brother, in India, education system is not good. That's why he went to...
This is the education system.
He come to educate himself.
Listen, my brother, please.
In India, 80% GST in education.
You guys repeating again and again that the system of education in India is not good. Why? I mean, why?
He's telling about.
We have a great education system in India. We are being educated.
Sir, he is telling about Abhijit.
Of course, we have Nalanda University.
Sir,
we have
no.
IIMs. We have IITs. I mean, which are working well, and you're criticizing the education system
Sir,
of this
he is
country.
telling about Abhijit. Abhijit, he comes from America. How can he knows the? How can he know the?
Yeah, how can he know the problem of India?
Why not, sir? Why not? He can, sir, again.
According to him,
we
that
have
we
lots
want
of
a grounded person.
Sir, we have lots of medium to know about not education system, every system. We have media. He is also watching media. How can he don't know about India?
You guys are elaichi in biryani.
No, sir.
You are elaichi. 1 second. when elaichi is added to make biryani, so elaichi is not eaten. Elaichi is put outside at the time of eating biryani. And you guys are, if any elaichi, I'm adding this elaichi name in terms of paper leak here. If paper leaks are being done, find that elaichi and throw that elaichi. I'm not bothering. Throw that elaichi.
Yes.
What are you doing? What are you doing? You are eating that elaichi. You are promoting that elaichi. And you are blaming main biryani.
Sir, we are not Elaichi. Sir,
You are Elaichi, guys.
Sir, it's
And promoting Elaichi.
Sir, it's inappropriate to call us Elaichi. And you are saying that find that Elaichi. We are not the Elaichi. Who? If the paper is leaking, the person who is sitting at the top. The person who is sitting at the top.
Prashant.
The education minister. Sir, I have one point. He was saying if I have headache, should I slit my throat? Why should I slit my throat? Why should I? Who is at the top? The education minister. He takes care. He's ruling that center.
Prashant, brother. First of all, paper leak is not a mistake. It's an incident which happens. Arey, listen. That is the problem of cockroaches. That is the problem of cockroaches. Sir, they never listen. That what we should do. They just ha. Arey, listen first, yaar. It was an accident which is not happening first time. Okay, it has happened earlier also in 2013 when the government was not BJP.
AMPT, yeah.
And the name of NEET exam was AIMT. It was also happening that time.
They don't know anything about that.
Sir, here government is. Arey, listen, Prashant. Arey, listen first. Be a listener, yaar. Always. Here the government is conducting exam again, and that time government haven't conducted the exam again. Okay. This is the appreciable, but you are criticizing your own government. Who has committed suicide? What about him? It is not happening first time, okay? It is not happening first time.
Listen. JK, you said.
After that you can counter.
Listen, GK.
Brother,
Listen.
look. Home.
First, I want to give answer for one.
I haven't completed my statement.
Hasn't completed. Please don't shout.
Okay.
Sir, they are just. Please calm down.
Yeah.
First of all, we can't blame government in everything. We're gonna be the part of the system, and we will have to change the system. And you are the people are saying that we are illiterate, we are lazy, we are unemployed, and these people unethical, and these people will be the part of the system. Then think about the system.
Oh my goodness.
And sir, what kind of a statement they are promoting? One side, CJP says that we are not a party. I have seen that. I have watched that video. CJP members were saying that we are not a party. And the other side, they are saying that education minister should resign and Sonam Wangchu will be the education minister. What do they mean? Ministers, at least, listen.
This is called hypocrisy.
Sir, listen, brother. Ministers comes from a party and they are saying that it is not a party. It means they are spreading a fallacy. What kind of fallacy you are spreading? What kind of hypocrisy? And they Gen Z are like, they are good. I appreciate. Even I am also a Gen Z. But try to listen about the problems. Try to scrutinize the problems. Why to criticize always?
Listen. JK, you said paper leaked is an incident. Okay.
Accident.
Accident, whatever you want to say. Okay. Listen. And you are just playing 20 lakhs student future. You are just playing future of 20 lakh students.
Okay.
Listen. Who are committing suicide? What about that person? What about that person? Listen.
I am listening here. I am listening. Your members are shouting. I am listening.
Of course. And what about who has been preparing for 3 years, 4 years for any examination, and in the last paper has been leaked. What about his hard work before 3 years? Who has been preparing for any exam as like NEET and SSC any exam? He has given 3 years. He has wasted 3 years. What about?
Okay.
And listen, you are talking about the our system. Our system is our parties. And what about the farmers who are doing suicide daily? They are not getting benefits by the government. What about the our sisters? They are rapists are doing rape by. What about these types of situation?
Okay, brother, listen.
Yes, sir. I have completed.
Here you can see that here is the education minister. Okay.
Show people.
Here is the education minister. And there are so many branches of education system.
Fine.
So many branches.
Good example.
And here is the another political leaders and another political party. And maybe I'm trying to give my best.
Yes.
And because of criticizing my party, some of the political party are bringing their hand and they are doing paper leak.
Yeah.
And because of that, only one branch paper leak has happened.
Why?
And we are blaming the whole system because of that.
One branch is.
Because another party want to criticize and blame that party that party is not good. And what we are doing, we are spreading this fallacy in another country that look at my country is weaker in system and constitution and all. This is same for you should feel same that Are my brother? This is sir. Prashant. If this is the problem of my house, why I will tell to the another house?
It is happened. Why it is happening again and again? Take care of.
The problem is being solved, but you again and again criticize. Take the responsibility to solve the problem.
It is your responsibility. No? You will take. You will take.
We are taking, and that's why we reconducted. That's why we reconducted. That's why we reconducted, na? We took the responsibility.